Assalamu alaikum students. I am science subject teacher of class 6 of Javed Bahria Model School. Today we will discuss chapter number 2, Life and Living Things, part number 2. Let's start the chapter. What is cell? Cell is the basic building block of all living things. Human body composed of trillions of cells. Cell is called the structural unit of life. Cells are of different types and different category of differentiation. So basically cell is that very small building block of living organism through which the whole individual is made up of, and it is composed, human body, it is composed of trillion of cells. It is the basic structural unit of life, and cells are of different kinds on the basis of their functions or on the basis of their origin and on the basis of their characteristics. So let's discuss how different type of these cells are present in the human body. Types of cells: unicellular, multicellular. Those organisms which are made up of only single cell are called unicellular organism. For example, bacteria. Multicellular organisms: those organisms which are made up of millions of cells are called multicellular organisms. For example, plant cell or animal cell. These are two different categories of the cells or the organism that are made up of. Unicellular, for example, bacteria. Bacteria is the organism which is made of only single cell, means there is none other cell than the single, and it is, the example is the bacteria. Bacteria is the living organism that is made up of only one cell, and on the other hand, those organisms which are made of very different kind of these cells, they are called multicellular organism, and multicellular cells are present over there. For example, in plant and an animal, and we know plant and animal, they both are made up of different type of these cells and trillion or billion of these cells in their body. Next is similarities of plant cell and animals. Let's see what is the similar between the plant cell and animal, although we know it that the plant and animal cell are both are different form, but there are some similarities. Let's see. Nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains the information which control everything that goes inside the cell. Nucleus is the very basic organelle present in the cell. It present in both plant cell and in animal cell, and its function is to control the whole cell, means it have to copyright that what is going on the cell and what is not going to the cell. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly like substance which is fluid. Cytoplasm is the just an area onto which many small organelles are present, like nucleus is present over there, mitochondria is present over there, endoplasmic reticulum are present over there. So it is just the place to which different kind of the organelles are present, and it is a jelly like substance or fluid in it. Next is cell membrane. Cell membrane is a skin around the outside of the cell. It prevents the cell content from escaping, but not specific substance like water and the small molecule to cross in and out of the cell. Cell membrane is the basically skin around the cell, and it is the organelle that have to see what is coming into the cell and what is not coming to the cell, means it is a boundary, and it have to protect the cell from organelle to escape from it. So nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, all are present in both plant cell and animal cell. So it is the similarity between the both type of the cells. Additional important features of plant cell. Now these features are present only in the plant cell, but vacuole is present in both kind of the cells like plant cell and animal cell, but cell wall and chloroplast, these both are only present in the plant cell because they have to protect plant. Cell wall. Cell wall is rigid, firm coating outside the cell membrane. It helps plant cell to maintain its shape. Because the plants are very soft and they have to maintain their shape, so cell wall is present on a plant cell below the cell membrane. First covering is cell membrane and then the last cell wall is present. It gives a rigid firm shape to the plant cell. Next is chloroplast. It is a green chemical. It has a green chemical present in it, that is called chlorophyll. By using chlorophyll, plants synthesize their food by process, photosynthesis. It is the chemical that enable the plant to use sun's energy to make food. So chlorophyll is that particular chemical, you can say, present in the plant which absorb the sunlight and convert into the food. So this is the organelle present only in plant cell, not in animal cell. Because I have told earlier, plant have to search for food, but animal, it can produce food in the process called photosynthesis. Vacuole is a large space in the middle of the cell. It filled with a fluid called cell sap. Vacuole in plant cell, vacuole is very large and it's present in the middle of the cell, whereas in animal cell the size of the vacuole is smaller. Special cell for special jobs. Let's see how different kind of the cells present for different functions. First is nerve cell. Have a thin fibers which carry message from one part of the body to another. Nerve cell, these are very important cell in the body because these cells carry messages from brain to the other part of the body, and it carries messages like if we have to walk, first it message goes to our brain through the motor neurons or the any other. So nerve cell is the very important cells. Epithelial cells are thin and flat. They are found in layer covering skin, lining of the blood vessels, alimentary canals. This help in protection and absorption. What is the function of epithelial cell? The function of the epithelial cell is to absorb or to protect the cells, and it present in blood linings, blood vessels, alimentary canals, and it present in the skin coverings. Pollen grain. Pollen grain have a spiky surface to help them to stick to bodies of the insect. Other have tiny wings. Both help in pollination. Pollen grain, these kind of the cells only present in plants because plant have pollen grains. Pollen grain help in pollination because a plant when a plant pollinate, then it convert its flower to the fruit. So pollen grain only present in plants. It is not bother with animal cell, and some pollen grain have spike so that it can stick to the other body, or other have wing to fly and to get to the other plant and pollinate it. Red blood cell. Red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. Huge large surface area is just to get lot of oxygen. So large surface or area of the red blood cell is to get large of oxygen. Cell divide and grow to make more cell like them. Tissue. A group of similar cells doing the same job is called tissue. Whenever cells are in group and they sit tissue, that means they have to perform same job and the same function. For example, muscle tissue is made from the cell whose job is to contract and relax and cause movement. Muscle tissue, the function of the muscle tissue is to move and to contract and relax. Organ. Whenever the cell or the group of the cells are said to be organ, that means different tissue combined to make an organ. The stomach is the organ that digests food. For example, muscle tissue, nerve tissue, blood tissue all take part in makeup of the stomach. Whenever different kind of the tissue work, then it constitute an organ. Organ work together in group called organ system. Whenever different kind of the organ work, then it's said to be organ system. Thank you for your attention. Stay blessed. We will catch you in the next video.